we're going to be performing a blower door test to ensure and test the integrity and continuity of our air barrier around our house. We've done a really good job sealing as many cracks and holes as we possibly can, and really methodically going through all of the details and junctions of materials changing. But we do realize that we're not going to be able to catch them all until we actually use a bit of techniques in the field to verify and test all of these things. And there's a few different methods that we're going to use. One's being as simple as our hands, our ears, and our eyes. And essentially what we do is we put the house under a pressurization and then a depressurization state, so air will be going in and out of our building envelope through any sort of holes and cracks and seams. And these holes actually are so small that they often have a little bit of a whistle to them. So sometimes you can actually walk past a certain location and physically hear it. The other one is that you can physically feel with your hands air blowing through very fine cracks and seams. Now, for the visual testing, we use smoke and fog to actually physically see the air moving. And there's a couple techniques that we use. We have a fog machine that we're going to use in the crawl space, and we're going to depressurize the house. And any fog that is in the basement that can find its way into the home is going to find its way through a gap in our air barrier. So we can see the fog coming up through our floor and quickly seal that up and continuously do that until we don't see fog coming up through the floor anymore. The other technique is with a lighter, and you can pinpoint an exact location, but you can't quite see it's a ceiling. So we can take a lighter and put it in that location, and the lighter will actually flicker a little bit due to the airflow. The final technique that we're going to use is the infrared camera, and all we really need is a temperature difference from the outside compared to the inside. And when we're sucking in that air or blowing that air out, there's going to be a temperature difference, and the camera's going to pick up on it, and we're going to be able to see throughout the home those differences in temperature. So with all those techniques and the help of our blower door, we're going to be able to find the remaining cracks, holes, and seams throughout the air barrier and get this house even tighter than it already is.